Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to remove the green dot on any Vivo phone. Now, the green dot appears when an app on your phone uses the camera or the microphone. So it shows a green dot at the top of your screen to inform you that an app is using the camera or the microphone of your smartphone. But sometimes the green dot appears on the top of the screen while you are on the home screen, or when you are not even using an app that requires the microphone or the camera access. Just like that. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just check in the recent apps section if there is any app which is using the camera or the microphone of your smartphone. If there is an app which is using the camera or the microphone, just remove the app from your recent apps section. And it will remove that green dot at the top of your smartphone. Just like that. Now if this did not fix your issue, just open the settings app on your smartphone. From here, just scroll down and tap on apps. Now just tap on see all apps. And from here, just turn off the access to the microphone and the camera to any suspicious app that have the access to the microphone and the camera, so that the app won't be able to use the microphone or the camera of your smartphone. Now to do that, just tap on the app icon and tap on permissions. From here, just disable the camera access and the microphone access to the application. Now, if you have done that and if this did not fix your issue, just reboot your smartphone and this will fix your issue. And this is how you can remove the green dot on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.